everybody, it's Queen Richard here, and I am here with, it's so weird to even be saying this, so this is part 2 of my Voluvolage haul, and so what's funny about this is because this bag of clothes was only $2.99, and for those who tuned in last time, you know that I pulled like 25 different outfits from this bag, and I'm not even done. So let's just pretend for a minute like that didn't even happen. And this is the bag I got for $2.99. Okay, so let's pretend like this is what I got for $2.99. Let's see what sort of deal I got with that. Just because this is just such an insane deal on these doll clothes. So let's just pretend, let's all pretend that that video hasn't happened yet. And this is what I got. So, moving on. So here is a little pink, like a princess dress for a Barbie. Oh, my light is blinking at me angrily, so who knows how long my battery's gonna last here. But I have other ones waiting nearby. So this looks like this actually could be almost like Sleeping Beauty. This looks like something that like Aurora would wear. I don't know. It's very cute though. Oh my. So this is like a prince top? Is this homemade? What is this? No, this is Barbie. One thing I should say about this bag is a lot of stuff is Barbie brand. Oh my god. So this is like a Ken top for like... Oh, this is just so gorgeous. It's beautiful velvet on the back. Wow. This is... See? $2.99. I mean, this alone $2.99. And I'm not even done. Crazy. Oh my god. So here's another Ken shirt. Yeah, another Barbie brand. And this looks like almost like a little like surfer top, maybe this goes with those shorts that I had. Who knows? It's cute though. Oh, everything's all sticking together. Okay, so we'll just work off these ones for a minute here. Okay, so here's a little pair of khakis. Are these... Me thinks these are homemade. I could be wrong, though. I don't see any tags, though. But these are just totally cute. Okay, so here's a little bridal veil thing that I can totally use, because I have like a whole bridal outfit. Oh my god, really? What a bargain this was. Okay, what's this? So this, oh, cool. So this is just like a simple mesh shirt for Ken. Like a basketball shirt. And what's this? So this appears to be some sort of vest with little flippy flappies on the back. Not bad. That's cute. Here is another little top. Oh, this is cute. So it Velcro's in the back. And it's just a really simple, just kind of floral top. And then here is another little, like, casual top. Only it's short-sleeved with a little bow. Does this have a tag in it? Nope. Yeah, me thinks this one is homemade. It's very cute, though. Okay. Little pair of... These could be like little yoga pants. Little stretch pants. A lot of these have issues with the sleeves and the pant legs being inside out. Okay. Oh, does this go with that shirt? No. Okay, so here's a pair of shorts for Ken in khaki. I like the side piece. That's really cool. Are these actually Barbie? There is no tag. I'm like checking all these for tags because so many of these are Barbie. Oh, cool. So here's a football jersey. Number 51. Vilma. Let's see here. What's the tag this one says? Oh, this is from some Burger King. So this was for like a Burger King doll or something. Very cool. Here are some neon orange shorts. Very late 80s, early 90s. There's like one thing in here that I am like ignoring just because it's like so beautiful and I just don't want to pull it out yet. Here's a cool little belt for like, I guess, a Ken doll. Goes with like the army fatigues. Oh, here's a little skirty. I think this is like for like a little baby. Or like for the toddler. Ooh, here's a good pair of camouflage cargo pants for boy, for the Ken doll. These are in really, really, really good shape. Here is a little bikini, but it seems a little small. Perhaps this is for, like, Skipper, is what I'm thinking. Very cute. Okay, it's like forcing me to get that one thing. What? This is beautiful. This looks like another Ken top. Is this another Barbie Prince top? It sure is. Look at that. Whoa. Okay, so this is like another Ken Prince charming top. Oh my god, that's beautiful. And it has like this little scarfy here. Oh, wow. Okay. I can't resist. So this is really, really beautiful. So this is just like a slim dress down underneath, but it has this accent sewn on. Really beautiful gold buttons. And look at these cuffs. I have a feeling this is homemade. This is so beautiful. Oh my. So there went my battery. But like seriously, oh my god, like this alone is worth $2.99. This alone is worth $2.99. But yet, I just had all that. I still have all that to go, and I still have that whole video beforehand. Crazy, crazy, craziness. So here's another little, here's another dress that's seen better days. Yeah, that dress is effed up. What's the, oh, it's Barbie though. Here's another Barbie tag. Wow. I'm gonna fix that up though. With my sewing machine. What's this? Ooh, cool. It's a little bikini. Little black bikini. That's inside out. Oh, that's totally cutie. Here's another weird shirt that looks really, really huge. Oh, here's another little bikini. Oh, this is cute. Look at that. That's a cute little detail on it. Oh, that's adorable. Ooh. Here are some lime green pants. These are very tropical. I don't know what this is. I think this is something that was something but got messed up. This looks like a headdress. I don't know. I guess this could go on someone's head. It's like a little crown. Maybe. Or maybe it goes on a bigger doll. I don't know. Ooh. Okay, so here's just a little turquoise gown with a cute little sheer overlay on the top. Okay. Oh. Barbie once again. Is this a child's, like, whole collection of clothes? And someone just threw them all together here? Ooh! Okay, so here's another jersey for Charlotte. Barbie. So Barbie has her own basketball jersey for Charlotte. North Carolina, which is funny because I would never go to Charlotte, North Carolina if you paid me. No offense to anyone who lives in Charlotte, North Carolina. So you guys have crazy bathroom laws. Here is a little onesie that seems to be a little bit wide. Methinks this is for a different sort of doll other than Barbie, maybe. But this would definitely fit the curvy Barbie. Interesting. Oh my gosh. One more, and then we're all done. And so we are ending this with... What is this? Oh, wow. Oh no, it goes this way. Okay, so we're ending it with this beautiful skirt that's like a tutu in blue. It has many different layers, and it's accented with little pink bows. And there is no tag. So, oh, nope, there is a tag. Let's see. No, that's not a tag. That was the bow. Oh my god. So, yeah, so let's just pretend for a second that I got this for $2.99. That's still a pretty good deal. But I actually got this and, like, a big pile of clothes. So, yeah, so, what a bargain. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe down below. Peace out, boo!